where when I put the key in, it just won't, no start or no crank at all. Reset on the clock, radio come on and shit, antenna will come up. And it's just nothing.